For the next set of problems, we're going to find missing angle measurements, but in the next level of challenge problems. I call these challenge problems level 2. In these problems, we have even more missing angle measurements, and we have to use all of the things we've learned about angles to find those missing angle measurements. So in this problem, it says the figure below is not drawn to scale. IJ and GH are straight lines. So let me go ahead and darken those two straight lines because I'm going to need them to identify vertical angle pairs. Here's IJ and here is GH. And as you can see, you can probably see the vertical angle pairs pretty easily. 72 and angle E are vertical angles, and G is a vertical angle with F plus H. So let me write that here. Angle G must then be equal to angle F plus angle H. And we know that 72 must then be equal to angle E. So I'm going to write a 72 right there and fill that in for the measurement of angle E. I'm going to leave this information off to the side for now because I'm going to come back to it in order to figure out the angle measurements of F and H and G, really. If I look at the next part that is given to us in the problem, it says that angle E plus angle F is 150 degrees. That means that this E, which is 72, plus angle F, must equal 150 degrees. Well, now I can solve that equation. By subtracting 72 on both sides, I'll find that angle F equals 78 degrees. I'm going to fill that in down here, and also by the angle F. So now I know that angle F is 78 degrees. I have one piece of the information I need in order to find G and H. Now let me go back up here. I see that angle G and this 72 degrees form a straight angle. GLH is a straight angle, which means it measures 180 degrees. So I can use that information to solve for angle G. That means that angle G plus 72 degrees must equal 180 degrees. If I subtract 72 degrees from both sides, I'll get that G equals 108 degrees. And I'm going to fill that information right up here. So now I know that G is 108 degrees, and I can use that information to find angle H. By subtracting 78 on both sides, I'll get that angle H is 30 degrees. Now let's check our work. We know that all of these angles, these 5 angles, share this common vertex L, which means that the sum of these 5 angles needs to be 360 degrees. Let's check that in the space all the way over here. So if I do 108 plus 72 plus 78 plus 30 plus 72, and I add these up, I should get 360. If I do this, 8 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2 is 20. Here I have 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 10 is 26, and 2 plus 1 is 3. That means that all 5 of these angles added up to 360, therefore my answer is correct.